Hello and welcome everyone in Grammar Braid. Today we are going to learn lesson number 19, that is subject verb agreement. Here subject verb agreement means what's here? Means in a sentence verb it comes according to subject, means verb is depend on the subject. In each sentence verb is there and this verb is wrote according to subject, means verb is depend on subject. To understand the concept subject verb agreement, we will see some examples. You have to choose the correct option for each. First example, we is are cleaning the room. Now here two verbs are given, is and are. From that correct verb you have to choose. Now subject, in this sentence subject is we. Now subject we is the plural pronoun. So verb also should be plural. If plural noun or pronoun is there, that time plural verb it is wrote. We is there, so are will come. Are is the plural verb. So sentence will be we are cleaning the room. Next sentence, the dog chases the cat. Now the dog is the subject. The dog is the singular noun. When single noun is at that time, we add for verb yes. So the dog chases the cat, answer will be. The third, the girls is plural noun. So what will come here? Are. Next example, fourth, my grandfather is are. Now here grandfather is singular noun, so is will come. Fifth, my grandparents is are. Here are will come because grandparents is the plural noun, so are plural verb will come. The books is are. Now here is will come because book is singular noun, so singular verb will come. Next seventh, the pens are will come, and eighth, he is will come. Did you notice that in each sentence, now we have solved sentence, in that the verb always agree with the subject. So if the subject is singular, the verb is singular. And if the subject is plural, the verb is plural. We will see some example. Mona has a new car. Here Mona, this is subject, it is a singular. So has singular verb we have to write. Next, my parents, this is the subject, that it is in the plural. So how it is plural verb. Next, Raja is talking to Mohan. Raja is subject, it is singular, so is the verb, that is the singular. Next, the students are. Now the student, this subject means noun, it is plural noun, so are plural verb we have wrote. Next, I am not well. Now I is singular noun, so singular verb am we have tried. Next, the twins. The twins it is subject and this twins it is in the plural form, so plural verb are we have to write. Next we'll see the rules for making a subject and verb agree. Means according to subject which verb come, that we are going to see. For that what rules are there, that we'll see. When the subject of a sentence has two or more nouns or pronouns joined by and, use the plural verb. Means what is told here, see, when the subject of a sentence it has a two or more nouns or pronouns and they are joined by the and, that time you have to use plural verb. See example. For example, Malti and her friends are playing in the garden. In this sentence two nouns are there, Malti and friends. These are two nouns and they are joined by and, so plural verb, that is are we have to use. Next rule, when a group of words comes between the subject and the verb agrees with the subject and not with the noun or the pronoun in the group of the words. Now sometime in the sentence between the subject and verb, group of words means some words come, that time verb agree with the subject. So according to subject we have tried verb, not with the other noun or pronoun which are in the group of words. For example, one of my friends lives in Himachal Pradesh. Now in this sentence one is what, subject, and after one of my friend, this is a group of words, means some words they have come between one and lives. Lives is what here, verb. Now while writing verb we have to look after the subject. According to subject we have to write the verb. we should not write the verb according to the group of words which is written between the subject and verb. Here one is single noun, and when we write single noun, that time for verb we have to write or add yes, so leaves will come verb. Next example, the colors of the rainbow are beautiful. Now here colors, this is the subject and are is the verb. You have to write are according to the subject, that is the colors, not according to group of word, that is of the rainbow. Here colors is plural noun, so are plural verb we have to write. Next, my uncle along with my cousins is coming tomorrow. Now here is we have tried according to subject, my uncle. Next, the teacher as well as her students is in the playground. Now here is the verb we have tried according to the subject, that is the teacher. Teacher is singular noun, so is singular verb. Next rule, when two singular nouns are joined by or nor, a singular verb is used. For example, my uncle or my aunt is coming tomorrow. In this sentence, my uncle and my aunts, these are the two singular nouns and they are joined by the or. So, singular verb, that is, it is used. If these two singular nouns, they are joined with the and, that time plural verb are will come. But if it is joined with the or, that time singular verb, that is will come. Next rule, when a single noun and a plural noun are joined by or, the verb agrees with the part of the subject that is nearer to the verb. Means here single noun and plural noun, if they are joined by the or, that time verb agrees, means verb we have to write according to subject which is nearer to the verb. For example, the ranger and tourist are shooting picture of tiger. In this sentence, the ranger is the single noun and tourist, it is the plural noun. These two words are joined by the or. That time we have to write verb according to the word which is nearer to the verb. Now are is the verb, nearby the are which is the word or noun, tourist. Now tourist, it is plural noun, so plural verb, that is the are will come. Next example, the rangers or the tourist is shooting picture of the tiger. Now in this sentence, tourist, it is single noun and which is near the verb. So verb we have to write according to the noun which is the near. So is singular noun, so is singular verb, it should be there. Next rule we'll see, collective nouns like family, staff and team are considered singular and they take a singular verb. Means when the collective nouns are there like family, staff, team, that time we have to use singular verb. First example, the family is going for a picnic. The family, it is collective noun and you have to use with the collective noun what? Singular verb. So with family which verb will come? Is. Next sentence, the crew of the ship is very courteous. Now the crew is the collective noun, for that singular verb is it is used. Next we'll see the exercise. Choose the correct option to complete the sentences. First A, the team is are practicing for the match. Now team is the collective noun. With the collective noun we write singular verb, so is will come. Next B, each of these apples is are fresh. Now here each is the subject and of this apple, this is group of words, means some words. That time verb we write according to the subject. Each means it is singular noun, so singular verb is will come here. Next see, one of the boxes is are open. Now one is subject and of the boxes it is group of word, so one is the here single noun, so is single verb will come. Next D, I am is on a bus. Now I is single pronoun, so am singular verb we have to write. Sham and Geeta are is with me. Now these two noun are joined by and, so we have to write plural verb, that is are. Next F, here is are my jacket. Here is singular pronoun, so singular verb we have to write, that is singular verb. G, he has will come. H, one of the books is are missing, one is singular, so is will come. Next I, the box as well as his colleagues have been robbed. Now here boss is subject and as well as his colleague. This is the group of word, means some words, but we have to write verb according to subject. The boss is what here? Singular noun, so singular verb has will come. J, the boy who won the medal is are my friend. Now here the boy is subject and who won the medal, it is group of words, means some words. That time we have to write the verb according to subject. Now the boy is a singular noun, so is singular verb we have to write. Next, K, of all the colors I likes red the most. Here I is the singular pronoun, so like will come, singular verb. Next, a group of students are going on a field trip. Now here students, it is plural noun, so plural verb are will come. Next, M, the students are. Now here students, it is plural noun, so are plural verb will come. Next, the director or the actors are at fault. Now here singular noun director and plural noun actors, they are joined by or. That time verb we have to write according to the word which is near the verb. Now here near the verb, which word is there? Actors. Actors, it is plural noun, so are will come. Last O, the actors or the director are at fault. Now here plural noun actors and the director singular noun, they are joined by or. That time which is the nearer noun to the verb, according to that we have to write the choose the verb. Now director, this is the noun which is near to the verb and it is a singular noun, so singular verb is we have to write. Today's homework, students, you have to read page number 76 and 77 and you have to complete the exercise with the help of video. Thank you.